Good afternoon, everyone. This is English A2, third period here at KIT Iizuka, April 9th, the very first class of the 2026 semester. Let me explain the stuff that we're going to be doing for this week, which is related to next week, which is related to all of you, because I don't know if you're going to be here for any more than 2 weeks. I hope you do. You seem like good students, and I hope I can be your teacher. First of all, if you need to contact me, okay, if you need to talk to me or anything at all. Oh, and by the way, yes, I speak Japanese. I can read Japanese. If I want to, I can write Japanese. But I'm going to try to do this mostly in English. If I see a lot of faces going in the classroom, then I might switch to Japanese. It's up to me. But if you have any questions about anything, okay, first of all, just raise your hand and just say, Sensei, stop, and tell me, I don't understand. Please say that again. But if there's anything else that you want to talk about, that's my email address, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Now, the university has a different email address for me. It's through QTech, but I don't check that very often. I do check this more than once a day. So you want to get to me very quickly, this is the best email address to connect with. Now, there's also the Moodle messaging system. You can use that, but that's still not as good as my Gmail address. So please use my Gmail address. Okay, so I will talk about this on the third week for the students who are really in my class. So if you want to look at it, feel free, okay? Oh, and if you have not yet gone to this course, you need to connect to my course, okay? And let me just show you. This course is the third period course, so that means this one, okay? You need to get into this course today, okay? So while you're listening to me, you can find that English A2 with that picture, and that picture is this course. So just very quickly, Moodle をもうみんなアクセスできました。できてない人アクセスできてない人 OK。じゃあ Moodle をアクセスしてください。そしてもし Moodle をアクセスしても、I really suggest that you put it on your phone. And if you don't have it on your phone, we're going to be talking about that a little bit. But you will need to access this course this week and next week. So we'll talk about that after I finish this video. But this is the course you want, okay? English A2 Group 8. And this is the only one with this picture, okay? So let's go back to there. Okay, so all of this you don't really have to look at, but if you want to look at it, please feel free. This is where we're going to begin, okay? The graded readers for April 9th. We have one big thing that we have to do today. I have to get you into the graded reader system. I have to get you to do a level test. You do the level test, you choose a book, you check to see if the book is a good level for you, and that's the most important thing we have to do today. If we get that done, that's great. If there's extra time, there are a couple of things that I can show you at the end of class. But in the second period, we had only about 15 minutes remaining, so I cut the class early. So we might do that here as well, too. Let me show you this, and then after I'm done the video, we can all do this together. Okay, so first, here's that video I was showing before. You can't see it yet because it is not available to you as students, but it will be once the video is ready. From here, okay, there's a section called reading levels. This is the first thing we're going to do today. On the reading levels section, excuse me, if you go in there, there's a link here to do the reading levels test, okay? To do the reading levels test. Now, you might have actually already accessed this, I don't know, but I want you to take it again. But we're going to check on that, okay? Let's see here. Let's go back. Oops, no, wrong one. And after we do the reading levels, I want you to get your score. If it's going to be 75%, 85%, or higher, you take that score, okay, and you put the score in here. Then after you register your score, then you choose a book. Now, most of you will probably get about 85%, 80% on your score. And if you get a score that's lower than 79%, lower than 80%, you should think that maybe that level was too difficult. If you get a score that's 90%, 95%, first, congratulations, great. But maybe that means that the level was too easy. Now, everyone's going to start on the same level. Let me show you. Everyone's going to start on, okay, come on. Everyone's going to start on level 1, okay? Going to start on level 1. Don't go there yet, not yet, okay? But everyone's going to start on level 1. Now, in this system, there are 7 levels from the starter all the way to level 6. And level 6 is a level that's for native speakers. That might actually take me a little bit of time to finish. And starter, that's kind of like for people who are just starting with good morning, good afternoon, or maybe you're just getting used to the A, B, C, D, E's, that whole alphabet order. So level 1 is a good place to start to see where you are. If it's too easy, then maybe level 2 is better for you. If it's too hard, then you might want to think about the starter level. But if you're about 80%, 85%, then level 1 is probably good for you. Okay, let's keep going. After we do the test, okay, then the test takes about 15 minutes, and then you report your level test results, and then, and then you go to this link to choose a book. That's basically all we're going to be doing today. And you're going to start the book to see if it's a good level for you. That also will take about 15 minutes. So in total, from here to about, I don't know, I guess maybe about a little before 2 o'clock, we should be finished all of that. If not, then we'll have some extra time. And if we finish early, then we'll have extra things to do. In any case, those are the biggest things that we need to do. Biggest things that we need to do. And if I go back here, there we go. Or is that 08? Or is that, yeah, that's third period, good. Okay, now after we're finished that one, next week, okay, what we will do is we'll take a quiz on this book that you chose, and you're going to write these extensive reading reports. But that's next week. This week, we'll take the level test. We'll finish the level test. Then you'll find a book that you like and see if it's a good level for you. Okay. Otherwise, just remind you once again, because we're near the end of this video, here's my email address. If you need to contact me, please go ahead and use that email address, or come and talk to me in class. And yeah, let's have a good class, everyone.